Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to your Hero Boy Tech channel. Today, we're diving into the latest and most exciting WhatsApp tricks that you need to know. Are you ready to take your messaging game to the next level? Here are top 5 unique tricks. 1. Did you know you can now send disappearing messages on WhatsApp? It's the perfect feature for those private conversations you want to keep off the record. 2. Another cool trick is the ability to customize your chat wallpapers for each contact. Say goodbye to boring chats and add a personal touch to your conversations. 3. Have you ever accidentally sent a message to the wrong person? With the new Edit feature, you can easily go back and correct your mistakes before anyone even notices. 4. Let's not forget about the new Always Mute option for those pesky group chats that never seem to stop buzzing. Enjoy peace and quiet without having to constantly mute notifications. 5. And last but not least, discover how you can now use WhatsApp on multiple devices simultaneously. No more switching back and forth between your phone and computer. Stay connected everywhere. There you have it, the top 5 latest WhatsApp tricks that will revolutionize how you use the app. Don't forget to try them out and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video with your friends. See you next time.